Hey guys, here with a quick market update for February 2022. So home prices rose year over year by 23.8% to a median sales price of $520,000 in Salt Lake County last month in February. On average, homes are selling after just 8 days on market, and there were 901 homes that sold compared to 1,067 in February of last year. So same story. You know, supply is high, or supply is low, demand is high, and it's driving prices up. We also know that last week the Fed rose the federal rate, so rates went up a quarter percentage point. Mortgage rates followed, so the 10-year Treasury yield ended at 2.185%, so it rose from 2.16%, and we know mortgage rates always follow that 10-year Treasury yield. So rates are hovering just above 4% now. Buying power is starting to go down. If you're looking to buy, get into the market ASAP. They are Feds are saying that they're going to continue to raise interest rates. They're going to be aggressive, and they're saying that they might raise them as many as 6 more times before the end of the year, and that rates might be the federal rate might be up around 2%, where we were hovering around 0% for the last few years. So if that happens, mortgage rates could get up. We could probably see 5, maybe even more, 5.5% by the end of the year, maybe even 6. So if you're thinking about buying, let's do it right now. Let's connect. Let me know if you have any questions. If you want to know how much equity you have in your home, or how this, these rising rates affect you and your situation, your personal situation, let me know. I'd love to talk. Love to answer any questions you have. Got a ton of people asking questions about, the war going on and how that's affecting real estate, about equity, about interest rates. I've got answers to all those questions. So if you have any questions, get at me. Love to help you out.